We compare this one. If we are using threading pillar, and what is the difference between the direct welding and we are using threading? It's different. This is a thread pillar. There is some height. So the height of the sail increased, obviously. But if you are using this plate, Vaspa plate welding, the height remains same. So that is the advantage. And also the contacting point, the plate get more joint area, so that is more reliable. But the thread pillar, the connecting point is only one circle, very limited. You see, this contacting area very big, the whole surface. Wow, 那这边焊机的质量比较好。
这个焊的太老了。这个就
No problem, but even the area very small, but you can see the laser machine very strong. Okay.